Hi guys, and welcome to Jules Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious banoffee pie. But not just any banoffee pie, it's going to be a vegan banoffee pie. So, let's begin. Start by pouring 400 milliliters of coconut milk in a pan. Then add 300 grams of light brown sugar together with 2 grams of salt. Now mix it and then bring it to a boil on a medium heat. Now reduce it till you're left with 400 grams of caramel. Let it cool down in your fridge. Meanwhile, mix 180 grams of flour with 30 grams of almond powder, 80 grams of icing sugar, 130 grams of vegan butter and 4 grams of salt. Knead this into a nice ball of dough. Now cover it with plastic foil and let it set in your fridge for 1 hour. Then clean 1 banana and divide it into smaller pieces. Add a squeeze of lemon juice and blender it until it's a smooth puree. Now measure 120 grams of the banana puree. Pour 250 grams of whipped cream in a bowl and add 40 grams of light brown sugar. Now beat it till you have thick peaks. Add the banana puree and fold the mixture together. Now cover it with plastic foil and let it set in your fridge. And cover your worktop with flour and roll out your dough until it's about 3 millimeters thick. Cut it into the desired shape and cover the baking ring with the dough. Cut the remaining dough into long stripes and place it carefully in the ring. Now tidy it up with the back of your knife. Bake them at 170 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes till golden brown. When they're still a little bit warm, smoothen the edges on a grater. Then clean another banana and cut it in half. Now cut it into thin slices. Fill the tartelettes with a layer of the caramel and then a layer of the bananas. Now pipe some of the banana mousse on top and spread it. Pipe the remaining mousse in your desired shape on top of the tartelettes. And finish it off with a little bit of cocoa powder. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Share your results with #JulesCooking and subscribe if you want to see more. Bon appetit!